right, welcome back, everyone. Toyota CEO weighs in on the future of electric vehicles. And Johnson & Johnson will pay millions to settle the baby powder investigation. Jane King is joining us live from New York in the NASDAQ with these stories and more. Good morning to you, Jane.
Hi, Sharon. Good morning. So Johnson & Johnson has reached a tentative settlement to resolve investigations by more than 40 states into whether the company misled patients about the safety of its talc baby powder. Now, this does not resolve the tens of thousands of lawsuits, and some of those are slated to go to trial each year. Those have been filed class action on behalf of individuals, and they allege that those talc-based products cause cancer. The company will reportedly pay $700 million to settle the state investigations. And the boss of Toyota says electric cars will never dominate the auto market. He says electric cars will never account for more than a third of the market, and consumers should not be forced to buy them. He also says autos should be developed that are based on hydrogen and hybrid technologies. And online retailer Wayfair just laid off a bunch of people. The Wall Street Journal reports remote workers were more likely to be let go. An executive said that they do believe most workers should be at their desks in an office on most days. Sharon?
I've heard a lot of companies are making that change back. I know during the pandemic, remote working was the trend, but they want people back in the office. Do you think it's maybe so they can watch what they're actually doing to see if they're working?
Yeah, I think so. And I think there's some benefit, at least, to being in the office part of the time, where you get to kind of have that, bonding with your coworkers, and you'd run into each other in the hall and come up with an idea or something like that, instead of all these planned Zoom meetings. I like coming into an office, so I'm not one of those that even want to work from home. But
yeah, all the chit-chat in the kitchen when you're trying to get your coffee and everything else. You're missing out on all that stuff.
Yeah.
Gotta hear all the tea. Thank you so much, Jane. We appreciate it.
Thanks.
And listen, have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow.